What's up, guys? Hopefully we have a good connection today. I've been having problems with the internet, so let me know if you can see me and things look all right. Getting a little dump. I got it on the 15-minute chart here watching this dump, and we're most likely going to get a bounce right about here around the 0.5 fib. I have a Fibonacci retracement from the swing low to the swing high, and that 0.5 fib lines up with this falling channel right at about 6230, 6240 range. We should get a bounce there. If not, if we do drop below this, our next stop is down here around the 6150, and by looking at the RSI, it looks like it's about done. So we might get that one little last drop back down to about the 6242 for now. That doesn't mean that we can't drop further just because the RSI is down here. We could form another bear flag or whatnot, but let's see what happens here. How's it going, everybody? What's up, Scott, David, Marcelo, Mike Weber? What's up, man? Pretty interesting day. All my targets are the same. I didn't post a video this morning, but if you guys have been watching, everything's still the same. The 6400 has been pretty damn important. We are below that again. If we do close a 4 hour below that, we most likely are going to continue down. If we look at the 4 hour, we are dropped below all the EMAs right now. Let's see if they cross over or we get a wick up. Let's look at the RSI. And the RSI does look like we're forming a falling broadening wedge, which usually could be bearish if we can break the top. So we will have to watch what's going to happen here. I do believe we may pop back up into this range. This could be a fake out. I'd be careful here. Does kind of look like a possible bull flag forming. If we look at it in the 15-minute, let's just take a measured move. If that's the case and we don't break down past this 0.5 fib over here, let's throw a trend line on, just do a measured move from the breakout down here, measure that as a flag pull. Depending on where we would break this flag, it may take quite some time to get back up to the top, but if that was the case, that would get us up around that $71.50 to $7,200 range. Let's look at our wedge, and that would match up right with our 7200, which is our 0.5 fib right here, and that would be retesting the bottom of this rising wedge that we broke out of. And that's what gave me the measured moves down here. If you looked at this as a bear flag, the measured move would have been around 25.50-ish. And if we look at it as a falling wedge, I'm going to actually shorten this target up a little bit. And to where we broke down, that'd get us around the 42, a little over 4,200 range, if that plays out. But again, we could come all the way up, retest this 55 EMA around the 7,200 range. Still a possibility. Let's see how the 4 hour closes. If we close below the 64, we most likely could continue down from here. Let's look at the 1 hour and see what that looks like. 1 hour, we still have room to drop, so we may hang out here for a little bit and drop back down some more. We could come back down to the 6150 range and look for a bounce. What's up, Joseph? How long the dump can go? What do you think? Well, the dump can go, I mean, we're going to have bounces in here. We're most likely not going to have a straight drop all the way down. I still believe, I know a lot of people are getting really bullish here, thinking that, you know, we've bottomed. And I'm not saying we haven't bottomed, but I still think we'll come down to this area at least one more time. We'll see what happens, but I do believe that it's a good possibility that we do reach down into those areas. Let's look at the daily real quick. As you guys know, I had this drawn in here. If you guys watch the channel, I drew this in here way back in here, just saying this may be a possibility of an inverse head and shoulders on the RSI. And as you can see, it is starting to look like that. But yeah, we'll see how it plays out. I still am looking for at least down to this 5400 range. That was major resistance back here coming up. I do believe we're most likely going to come back down into this area, and that's not to say we can't come up, retest this trend line first. Adnan says BTC will pump to 5,800 or 4,800, then maybe we'll see a bull run. Possibility. What's up, Jim John? What's up, Bus? C-Miss, what's up, man? Ignacio? Confidence that I'm not a bull, by the way. Arlindo Sosa, the volume in longs are 10 times of those in shorts. Well, that's not a good sign. The ladies say I'm a bull. What's up, Phil C? How you doing, man? How's everybody doing with the quarantine? I still work, but I know a lot of people aren't. Hit 1 if you're still working, and hit 2 if you are quarantined and not working, just out of curiosity. Long time no see. Social distancing is killing us. Hope all is well with the family. Yeah, I hope all is well with you guys too. Thanks, Eric. What's up, Tim J? A lot of people still working. Kevin Allen, just keep being honest with what you see. Tired of all the channels screaming to the moon. They do it for views, man. Just watch who you're watching. That's all. Not saying they're all bad, but a lot of them are horrible and really don't even have a clue. Sandman started today at 5, huh? Yeah, they still have all the road construction and stuff around here going, so that's what keeps us going. But I noticed Pennsylvania just stopped all their road construction, all their construction and everything. So if my state follows suit, then I will probably be working from home also. I'm doing good. How you doing, Sandman? Alex, we're essential. Same here, man. Scott said I had to drink my coffee alone today. My bad, man. Retired home for the past 5 years. Nice, man. Terry, are people selling BTC to raise cash to buy stocks? I would not buy any stocks. Not financial advice. That's my opinion. I think the market has a lot further down to go. I'm in the Ohio, Michigan, Indiana area. What's up, Crypto Dave? Go back into the 15-minute here. Keep an eye on what's going on. Let's throw the VPR on here, just see what that looks like. And this here lines right up with that 0.5 fib around the 6240. I think we're most likely going down to at least that. At least. My coin shop is closed until further notice. What's your day gig, Savy? I run a company that sells changes, and we monitor giant tires, like in stone quarries, coal mines, heavy construction. Everyone needs to get a CryptoSavy coffee mug and have coffee with me in the AM. Great quality too. yeah, guys, if you want to check it out, my wife's webpage, inkyourimage.com. There's a link down below. She's got a lot of cool stuff in there, crypto stuff. You don't, she's got a lot of stuff listed. You could have her put anything you want on any of this stuff. I mean, she can actually put family pictures or whatnot. It's not vinyl junk. It's actually quality stuff. So check it out. There's a lot of stuff in there. There's also stuff that's not listed. Long sleeve t-shirts, hoodies, a bunch of other stuff. You can hit her up in the contact on her webpage and ask her about it. Jim John said BTC is dead. Chris said he disabled his sell button. He can only buy. How bearish is the move? What targets would you look out for? Like I said, it's bearish, but we could still have a run up here. You have to see how this 4-hour closes. I'm still looking for a possibility to come up and test this trend line. Also, the 200 EMA around the $7,000 to $7,200 range. Not to say that has to happen, but 54. I see us going down to at least retest 54. If that doesn't hold, my next target is around the 42.30, and if that breaks, looking at this as a bear flag, and this is a flag pull, my target would be 25.78 area, somewhere in that range. And if you look back here on the weekly, it also lines up with this bottom trend line across here, so something to keep an eye on. As you guys know, if you guys watch my channel, this red line here on the weekly has been pretty significant. Back in 2014, we capitulated below it, broke back above in 15, tested it for support, got support. 2018, capitulated below it. 2019, popped back above it, got support, and now we did pop below it. We are trying to get back above it now. Let's look at the monthly. I didn't even see how the monthly closed. And the monthly is not looking good. The 8 EMA is crossing the 13 EMA, but that could change if we get a big candle up this month. But I still am pretty bearish here, guys. 5-minute chart looks a lot worse than it is. Yeah, man, when you get into smaller charts, it can get scary looking. I'm honestly just a buyer at this price, and anything lower than the VPR is just so big here. Lots of buys. Adnan says Bitcoin not less than 4,800. We shall see. There's a lot going on in the markets, man. Vladimir, hello Savy, how are things? How's your day job going? Busy, slow, or are you closed for now? We're slow, but we are still going. We take care of heavy equipment at the stone quarries and road construction and all that. So, what about the death cross? Terry asked. I don't pay attention to the MAs. I use the EMAs, and a reason being Bitcoin's a young market. But as you can see right here, my 21 is getting ready to cross the 55, or no, it did cross the 55 in a weekly. That's bearish. Yeah, guys, I'm still bearish, period. What's up, Big Ralph? How you doing, man? But yeah, with this, there's going to be some support here at the 6240 range. Or actually, we got some there at the 6250 range. Let's see something here. Yeah, if we drop below this line, it could get pretty ugly. I'm going to get the VPVR off there. It annoys me. Jim John says, I say no sub 6 bets are up. I don't know about that. I mean, I'm not saying we're not going to go up, but if we do go up, like I said, there'd be a measured move here. You know, we could get up to that 7,100 area or whatever, which would also line up with retesting this top trend line here, or the bottom trend line that we broke down from. But I'm still bearish overall. Like I said, it's not to say we don't come up and test that 7,000 to 7,200 area. Frank Smith, I think Savvy has the Rona. Would you open a short order from now? I'm currently not in a trade, but I would wait to see how this 4-hour closed. If it closed below 6,400, I might put one in, but I wouldn't do a high leverage trade for sure. Not financial advice, that's just my opinion. What's your best advice for a noob who'd like to learn more about trading? Any trading tutorials you recommend? Join our Discord down below. It's totally free. You can get a lot of info in there and then decide if you want to move on further. Definitely start out with a test net. Dirksy, what's up, brother? What's up with this BTC thingy? Waiting to see how it goes for me now. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. I do daily updates every single day other than this morning, but there really wasn't anything going on this morning. Nothing has changed too much, so yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel, tick the bell to get you notified when I post videos, and to support the channel, check out the links below the video. There's a lot of different links there that actually give you most of them you get something for too. I have trading exchanges links, and if anybody is trading or interested in it, we're going to be having a Dudex trading competition, and there is going to be prizes. I'm still trying to work out the prizes and stuff, so I will be keeping you guys informed, but I do have a link down there that gets you a bonus if you sign up and make a deposit. Join our Discord. We're going to be talking about it in there as it gets unfolded. Should be starting it up within the next few days. I will keep everyone posted of what the prizes will be and all that. But make sure you join the free Discord to get in on it. Timmy J said looking for a short-term bounce from around 6,100, but saying that we can see 59, 58, 57 on the horizon. This morning, the Rona hit him too hard. That's why he couldn't make a video. Crypto Dave said, give Savvy a blue thumbs up. Dudex already signed up, bro. How to join the competition? Make sure you join the Discord. It's free, and I will be announcing it in there. I'm still trying to work out the details so I can let you guys know. Dirksy said, dude, I need you to vent out on those shit coins and make people and people buying that crap make my day. Not in the mood to shit talk them right now. Most of you guys know how I feel about that crap. No problem. Yeah, definitely check it out. It should be pretty fun. Like I said, I will be notifying people what the prizes are going to be and when it actually starts and all the details as it unravels. So, what's up, David Rice? How you doing, man? Getting a nice little bounce here, huh? Think that will be short-lived. As you can see, I believe we have further down to go on this RSI. There are other ways to make extra income from home besides trading Bitcoin. Only 60 likes. Oh my god, people hit the likes. Yeah, guys, hit the like button. It doesn't take you but 2 seconds. Good to hear, David. The world is effed up right now, and perfect told you so moment. How you like that music, Wolf? I tried to switch some. I was gonna switch the music up, but I just wanted to get on here and get this out, and then this thing started moving. Thanks, Dirksy. I much appreciated. Have you seen on CoinMarketCap toilet paper token? I did. I seen something about it, but I didn't. No, I didn't check it out. Let's go back to the 15-minute here. Yeah, this is looking pretty bearish. EMAs are all crossing. We could bounce all the way back up to the 63.80 range and retest that 200 EMA. Let me put some fibs on here real quick. Yeah, we could get a nice little run back up to that 63.80 area, possibly. Yeah. A break of this channel here would be a good trade, whichever way it breaks, up or down. Up here would be a good spot to put in a long, put in a stop loss just below it. Down here, a break of this, put in a short with a stop loss just above it. BTC dies, I sell the house to invest in toilet paper token. Right on. New shirt idea. I'm CryptoSavy. Nice. I don't know how to hit the like in live chat. If you're on your phone, just exit the live chat and then there's a like button. Hit it and then you can re-enter the chat. Thanks for all you do. Big help, dude. Thanks, Joseph. I appreciate it, man. Dirksy said, I bought some more, was waiting for the true bottom. You're calling of 45, but if and big, if this runs, I want cheap Bitcoin. Yeah, there's no guarantees it'll go down there, but I do believe we are going to. Well, I think we're going to at least see that 54. Stock to flow model legit. I don't follow any of that. Stock to flow and all that stuff. I've never really cared to pay attention to it. I mean, a lot of people are into that stuff. I'm not. I show you what I do. I mean, that's what I do. Sam Bros. Hey, Savvy, any thoughts on the death cross for the S&P 500 yesterday? 50 cross the 200. How low could it go? I don't watch the S&P, but I've been tracking the Dow. And if you've been watching, you know that when this channel here broke, my target for that is right here. My target for that is the 16,888, right in that range. I still believe we're most likely going to head down there. I've been talking about it in my morning videos that we will see a suckers rally, and I believe that's exactly what we're seeing. We could come up, retest the bottom of this channel around that 23.4, 23.5 before continuing down, but I mean, I guess we could even come up all the way up to 2,500. I don't see it happening, but it is a possibility. We are getting rejected on the 0.382 at the 22.55. We had this here, I think last week, and that's where we got up to Monday. I think last week we got up to it. But we're also getting rejected at the 21 EMA here. I do see us coming down to that 1688. And if that does not hold, which I honestly don't think it's gonna, a lot of people think it's crazy, but this is the measured move. If we break down past that, around the 9150 range, 9200, somewhere in there, which also lines up with, if I put a line across there, I think it's going to get real ugly, guys. Real ugly. I mean, I don't care what they do at this point. Market's in serious trouble. But yeah, that lines up right down here with this old resistance. And I mean, I see we have a lot of support and resistance here, guys. But I mean, taking what's going on, and yeah, it's it's not looking good. Cruise Liner said Dow 13K. If we make the 13K, we're going a hell of a lot lower than 13K, man. How long at max you think it will take for the 10K Dow? I don't know. You know, I hate to put timing on anything. Could be months, could be, you know, a year. It's going to take a long time for the markets to come back from this. I mean, this is bad. There's no other way to put it. Sandman said no more work, back to pimping. They have no cushion left. We're at 0% interest rate. Yeah, man, and they're just printing money. It's gonna be hyperinflation at some point. I mean, it's ugly. April will be worst month for stock market. The specular rebound after election before midterm, true crash, depression. Oh yeah, I think we're going into a depression. I mean, there's lots of businesses that are not going to even come close to recovering from this. And I mean, they're trying to force them to, you know, take loans and think that's going to help. But I had these trend lines here on the Dow. Move this down a little bit. And we look like we got above it. So, I mean, it is possible that we rally back up to this point here before continuing back down, which I don't think. I guess it could go up to that 2500, 25.5 area, which would be around the 55 EMA. The 200 EMA on the daily is around the 26.4. I just don't see us going that high. Even if we did, it's coming back down. Carlindo said after the next big crash, stock market will not recover for over a decade. It's a damn good possibility. I mean, the whole financial system may change. We may be living in a totally different world when this is all over. Big rejection wick on the hour. Are you talking about big rejection wick on the hour? Are you talking about Bitcoin? You mean it's not rejection, it's support. Yeah, but the EMAs are still pretty damn bearish here. I mean, any way you look at it. This is going to at least come down and retest this bottom trend line. And if that trend line doesn't hold, move that up a little bit. Yeah, like I said, at least down to that 62.40 range. Put a target on there. So, damn. Is anybody in here new to the channel? Your first time here? Hit one if you are. Virginia just made a misdemeanor to go out with certain qualifications. Crazy times. Definitely some crazy times, man. Todd. What's up, Todd? Hi, Savy. Watch you every day. Would a tanking Dow move some interest to cryptos? Eventually, I think people are going to run to crypto. I mean, that's what speculation is. Welcome, Frank Smith, Carlindo, Joshua. Make sure you guys subscribe. I do daily updates every morning. What are your thoughts on multi-month quarantine? How would they affect BTC versus markets? I was talking to somebody about this, and this is just, you know, me assuming of how this may work, but a lot of, you know, average Joes and regular people are going to be out of work, so they're not going to have money to spend on crypto. But that'd be a good opportunity for the big money to start getting into crypto as everybody sells their crypto to get cash because they're running low on cash. So this may be, you know, bad for the little people in crypto. Maximus Ted, thanks for Prime XBT. It's awesome. Yeah, it's cool thing about Prime XBT. I do have a link down there, guys, if you want to check it out. you get a 50% bonus on top of your deposit. And I think I'm changing the promo code. They haven't got back with me yet today, but it should be Savvy25 to get your 25% off your trading fees. But you could trade gold, silver, oil, traditional markets, all kinds of stuff against Bitcoin in there. So if you're into stocks and all that stuff, that's a great exchange. But you can check it out. I got a link down below. BTC has no earning reports. Damage done to business will last significantly longer than crypto. Oh yeah. New hourly bears are at it. BTC is dead. Where's all the trolls? I want to smash them. Kind of in the mood. They're busy. Maybe they're trolling somebody else right now. Long-term holding versus trading. Trading's not for everybody. I mean, dollar cost averaging is the safest way for, you know, an average person to get in. And this, you know, like I said, trading's not for everybody. Next big move in Litecoin. Let's see, Litecoin, same thing. If we can close this 4 hour above 39, we may get a little push up, but it's looking pretty bearish for Litecoin. Same thing with Ethereum. They're all limmering, so they're just gonna follow Bitcoin. And my lows that match my Bitcoin lows on Ethereum are 72 and 27, absolute worst case scenario. And my targets on Litecoin are 27 all the way down to 22. I'm 14, absolute worst case scenario. Like if we went to the 22 here, I believe that would be a stop hunt from people that longed and put their stops under this wick. Same thing with Ethereum. I believe 72 would be a stop hunt from this wick right here. And Bitcoin, 2578. I mean, we could get a double bottom at the 3300, and that would be enough to stop out anybody that longed here. But like I said, people are getting in super bullish, thinking that was the bottom. Not saying it wasn't. We'll see, but I do see us coming down to at least this 5400. Sandman said, I got wrecked trying to trade, but getting better slowly. Yeah, you're definitely going to lose money when you start trading. I mean, that's how you learn from mistakes. And there's no cookie cutter program that's going to teach you how to trade perfect. So it's trial and error, and everybody's situation's different. Everybody's trading style's different. So yeah, your best bet is to learn technical analysis and then develop your trading technique from there. But as you can see, the volume here on the daily is still declining big time. 4 hours, same thing. That's the only thing that makes me think I could have this trend line wrong, because we are still in a formation coming down here, but I really don't think so. That would put this down here in this range, which it's possible. Not saying it's not possible, but I still believe this is the way to go right here. No doubt is what it is. Listen to others with knowledge and do you. Yes, sir. Got Chandler learning curve big time. Dirksy getting a little crazy today, man. Hold on a second. Oh, never mind. So anyways, yeah, just in limbo here, guys. I just wanted to get on because I didn't do the video this morning. It's like it's trying to push up here. Like I said, I see us coming back down for another push to around that 62.43. See how we react here on this bottom trend line. If we do break it, it's going to be pretty damn bearish. Got him. Way freaking harder to learn than I thought, that's for sure. Yeah, your emotions will get in the way big time in the beginning, for sure. David Rice, that's all on what your goals are, man. It's all up to you. No financial advice given. All right, take it easy, Roy. I'm glad you could stop in. I think I'm going to get out of here too, man. Babbling Brooks, what's your day job? You were posting 6 a.m. vids during the week. Always starting with, I'm running late. This will be short. Much love. I run a company that services and sells giant tires for heavy construction equipment, mining equipment, stone quarry stuff. Crypto Keys said dollar cost averaging is successful much of the time. So anyways, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will be doing my update tomorrow morning, I promise. But yeah, I am out of here. I just wanted to get on and say hey to you guys. Thanks for stopping in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, tick the notification bell, all that jazz, and check out the links below to help support the channel. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Take it easy. Have a good night. Don't get wrecked.